Hello, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, you're welcome to the family. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified when I post a new video. Vinyama, which is animals in Nyanja. Mbuzi, mbuzi. Galo, galo. Kalulu, kalulu. Njovu, njovu. Baka, baka. Njoka, njoka. Nkosa, nkosa. Mkango, mkango. Nkuku, nkuku. Nkumba, nkumba. Ng'ombe, ng'ombe. Mbalame, mbalame. So birds are also known as tunyoni, and then one kanyoni. So you hear people using tunyoni, kanyoni more than mbalame. Thank you so much for watching. Please tell me what you think about this video in the comment section below, and if you enjoyed the video, why not give it a like? And please you subscribe if you've not yet subscribed. See you in my next video.